Hi, I'm Mary, and today we're gonna go through what's in my photo bag that's not camera gear. Ta-da! First, I have a Sharpie, because you always need a Sharpie. Can you see my Sharpie? Next, I've got a multi-tool. I don't use this though. Next, I've got spray sunscreen. This is really important because you're probably going to be outside all day, and so you need to reapply your sunscreen for protection. Look at this mist. This is the Pixie Skin Treats Sun Mist. This is the only one that I've found that that's in a spray form, that's not in an aerosol can. So this one's great. Okay. And then to go with that, I've got bug spray. This is super important if you're shooting outside because bugs really like photographers, I think. One time I didn't have bug spray and I had like 50 bug bites on my legs and it was not great. So bug spray, I really don't carry 4, I just do 1. And then I also have a comb, brush thing. You never know when you might need a little quick hair touch up for your bride or your groom. With that, I also have a lint roller because again, you never know when you might need to take off some of that dog hair. And then I've got an emergency kit. Ta-da! It's got Band-Aids. It has some sort of antibiotic cream. It has a Tide to Go pen. And we've got some allergy medicine. We got ibuprofen and tampons, obviously. Towels in here. Next, we've got some more essentials. We've got a sewing kit that includes safety pins because that's always very important. And then next we've got some bobby pins because you never know when a bridesmaid might need some extra bobby pins. And then I've got Q-tips, and this is great to wipe off some makeup that might have smudged. Keep some Q-tips around. We have moist towelettes because you never know when you might need a damp washcloth. But on top of that, we also have dry washcloths. This is great whenever, say, your bride gets mud on her dress. Instead of using something wet to wipe it off, if you wait for that to dry and then take a dry towel like this and then just wipe it off, it'll help get the stains out faster and easier. So we carry these around. And then of course, we also carry just some normal facial tissues for tears or for allergies. And then, very important, we carry gum or mints because you don't want to have bad breath on the wedding day when you're taking pictures of people. And then, very important to have are some snacks. Got snacks here, got snacks here. This is just in case you might not be able to eat lunch if you're shooting a long day, or if you get hungry while you're shooting. It's good to always keep some snacks. I've got these Nature Valley peanut butter dark chocolate granola bars and some beef jerky. And I also have some peanut butter and honey crackers because they're delicious. But after you have all those snacks, you might get really thirsty, so it's really important to have some water on hand. I actually have I either have like a big Nalgene bottle of water, or we keep a 24 pack in the car. So always make sure that you have water, because especially if you're shooting weddings in the summer, you will get thirsty. And last but not least, very important, are these miniature handheld fans. So these are great in the summer whenever you've got a summer wedding. Everything I feel like is geared toward a summer wedding. But whenever you or your bride or your groom gets super hot, if you just crank out one of these, it's great to be able to cool off the face. And in between pictures, like say if we're taking groomsmen pictures and then your bride is waiting out, it's great to have one of these on hand to keep her cool and so she doesn't sweat off on her makeup. But we've actually got this cute little one and some other ones. We've got a lot of these. Clearly we think they're important. Well, this one's dead. But you won't regret having these. Also, you'll look really cool when you whip out one of these fans when someone's sweating. Get one. That's it. So this is what we carry in our photo bag that's not really a photo bag, it's just our essentials bag that we carry to all of our weddings and even photo shoots. You may not think that this is super necessary, but I think it's pretty important to carry all of these things around, especially for long day weddings or shoots that are far away, because you never know what might happen and you want to be prepared for everything. All of these things have come in handy for us, and so it might be great to be able to keep this little go bag with you for your future weddings or your future shoots. This is what we found to be helpful to carry around, but you guys might have something different to add. So let us know what you have that may not be included in here to help everyone else out. Happy shooting! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.